Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. So glad to see you here. This is your weekly Ask Hennasooq with me, Khadija, answering all your questions about henna hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, henna and jaguar body art as well. So this week's question is, can I be allergic to henna? Yes, you actually can. Some people are allergic to henna. You definitely, any new herb that you use or ingredient or any, like any food almost, you definitely want to do patch tests of, like, mix up a little bit of the powder, just mix up a little bit of the powder, do a patch test on your inner arm, ideally, right here, put that paste on your skin here, like for about a couple of minutes, and then see if there's any type of reaction, because even though it's natural, you can still be allergic to natural, plants and even peanuts, right? Cause allergies. And it could even be, essential oils. Like, you never really fully know until you test it out and try it to see what you might be allergic to, unless you go ahead and do like a full panel, allergy test, and you're very aware of what you might be allergic to. So I highly, highly recommend any new product, any new herb, anything that you're trying for the first time, do a patch test first. We recommend that across the board. We have that information all over the website, on the packages. We really want you to test it out first and make sure you're not allergic to anything, because we really want you to have good results. We want you to, be happy with how it came out. We don't want you to have to deal with any kind of allergic reaction or something that just made the whole experience horrible. It's so important when you're using henna and Ayurvedic herbs, and indigo especially too can be a high allergen, jaguar can too, just a patch test so that way you get the best results possible without any allergic reaction.